What's up, guys? Today we're working on a 2007 International 4300 with a DT466. We're replacing the rear shocks. All you need for this job is a 15/16 socket, a impact gun, some WD-40 or some PB Blaster, coil, whatever you guys prefer using. Or an adjustable wrench will work as well. I remove the bottom bolt first. I'm using a Hercules 3/4 impact, which I've been using for a couple weeks now, and it takes the lugs off trucks no problem at all. It hasn't not taking a single thing off. I haven't had to heat anything with this at all. So take that bottom bolt off. You got a washer and a washer. Put that to the side. The top, all you got to do is get up here. Okay, your 15/16 socket. And as you can see, that's got a nut shirt up there, so there's no washer on the top, just a bolt and a washer. All right, and this shock here, let's see how bad it is. Okay, compressed, and it's not returning at all. Both of those shocks were garbage. They were original shocks. This truck's got about 300,000 miles on it, so this truck needs a lot of work. We just did front brakes on it, but it needs a caliper that's seized. It needs a wheel hub bearing in the front left. It needs a lot of work. So little by little, we're getting through this. And you know, as I continue to fix things, I'll obviously be posting more. Because I've looked online, and there's not too much information out there on these internationals. So I'm gonna put as much information out there on YouTube as I can. When you install these shocks, make sure you come in this way. I always get the top bolt started first. Of course, always get it started by hand. That way you're not gonna cross thread it. Okay. And guys, like anything, when you're working on anything, whether it be a car, truck, heavy equipment, small engines, always put things hand first. Never tighten things until you have everything aligned. All right, these shocks, sometimes you got to pull them down a little bit to get them to line up. All right, so you got two washers, a nut, and a bolt. The way that these were originally from the factory, all right, then it's got a lock washer also, is you got the bolt going from the outside. Push that in through the hole, and then you got your flat washer, your lock washer, and then your nut. And both sides, like I said before, are 15/16. Or you can use an adjustable if you have a decent adjustable. So now we're going to tighten this up. I'm going to start with the top. And you should be wearing safety glasses, but I got my safety squints on today. Okay. And just be careful that you don't really bend these. These are your airbag level sensor rods. You don't want to bend them, because then your truck might be leaning a little bit when you get done. So let's finish this off. I'll tighten up the bottom here. All right. And you don't gotta overkill these things. And that's it, man, for your rear shock replacements. I mean, Took me about 20 minutes to do both of them, not even maybe. And that's it. We'll see you guys on the next one.